You're having a hard time getting yourself to read a book, but yet you want to read it because it has so many benefits. Well, it's a very simple thing to fix. I had the same problem, and I never got to read any books, even though I had a full bookshelf of them. I haven't read one in a whole fucking year. But I figured it out, and the process is actually quite simple. For you lads out there going to gym, this would be light work, no fucking issue. And here's how you do it. Every fucking day, you pick a specific time, and at that time, no matter fucking what, unless it's an emergency of course, you go and read at least so little of a book that it feels almost ridiculously stupid to do. Let's say one page, right? Let's say one page feels just like, why the fuck am I even going to read? One page makes no sense, it's way too easy. And exactly that's why you should do it. You take a book and you read one page, and then if you want, you can read more, right? But the point is, you just read one page. And then you read one page until a page and a half feels like light fucking work. And then you read a page and a half, and then 2 pages, and then 5 pages, and then 10 pages, and then way more, 2 chapters, 5 chapters. You know, the situation is simple. You just use progressive overload to overload how much you read a book. And if you want to really get onto this, if you really want to focus and really have it light work to just get yourself to read a book, you should maybe try out increasing your testosterone and focus. How do you increase your focus? With meditation. And the same principle applies to meditation. Start by very low amount of time meditating, like 30 seconds at specific time every fucking day, and then progressively overload it to 10 minutes. And so, you know, this will not take like 2 days. This might take like a month or so. But the point is, in 1 month's time, you're gonna look back and be like, bro, I'm proud of myself. I have achieved this great shit that I would have not achieved if I would have not progressively overload. So, what I want you to learn from this is progressive overload, my brother, in every fucking area of your life. Unless you can just force yourself to do whatever you want. Then of course do that. But until then, have a nice one. Adios, brother. Ciao!